The Ultra 50 range is a family of CNC-machined architectural luminaires designed for your most demanding exterior commercial applications. The range consists of the Ultra 50 pole spot and pole flood, the Ultra 50 wall spot, pillar, downlight, and ceiling mount. At the heart of this family is a fully modular head, which is easy to disassemble in the field and allows fuss-free changes to beam angle, LED color temperature, and power supply. Here you can see the LED board, aluminium reflector, heavy-duty silicon gasket, extra clear lens, and lens ring. There's a full range of optional accessories, including glare guard and glare shield for glare control, hex louver, and pole mounting bracket. The Ultra 50 head is mounted on a stainless cantilever system with 360-degree rotation, 0 to 80-degree elevation, and a robust locking mechanism. The Ultra 50 includes a highly efficient Hunza CREE pure LED light engine, providing 5,000 lumens output at only 62.5 watts. Color temperature options are 2700K, 3000K, and 4000K. Beam angle options are 13, 22, 33, or 51 degrees. Features 0 to 10 dimming, IP and IK rated. You can download IES files from our website. All Hunza fixtures are designed and engineered in New Zealand to last a lifetime. Be sure to specify the Hunza Ultra 50 range on your next project.